Welcome to Flux Electrical channel. Like, comment and never forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos. Topic here is, why power transformers can't cross the frequency of 50 Hz or 60 Hz threshold and what happened when the frequency goes higher. Here are the basic reasons behind it. Power transformers typically operate at a frequency of 50 or 60 Hz, which is the standard frequency for electrical power distribution in most countries. There are several reasons why power transformers are designed to operate at these relatively low frequencies. 1. Energy efficiency. Lower frequencies result in lower energy losses in the transformer core and windings. This is because the energy losses in the transformer are proportional to the frequency of the alternating current. Example like eddy current and hysteresis losses. Key points about these are: I. Hysteresis loss is directly proportional to frequency F. E. Eddy current loss is directly proportional to the square of the frequency. Therefore, increase in frequency will lead to tremendous energy loss in transformer. 2. Core saturation. The magnetic core of a transformer can become saturated if the frequency is too high. Saturation occurs when the magnetic field in the core becomes too strong, causing the core to become magnetically saturated. Lower frequencies help to prevent core saturation, therefore helping the transformer core to continuing creating linkage flux between the two windings. 3. Insulation breakdown. Higher frequencies can cause insulation breakdown in the transformer windings. This is because the higher frequency electromagnetic fields can cause electrical discharges and breakdowns in the insulation due to much eddy current losses, which heats up winding insulation. 4. Winding design. The design of the transformer windings is also influenced by the operating frequency. Lower frequencies require fewer turns in the windings, which reduces the amount of copper required and makes the transformer more efficient. 5. Standardization. The use of standard frequencies like 50 or 60 Hz allows for easier standardization and interoperability of electrical equipment. This makes it easier to design and manufacture transformers and other electrical equipment that can be used in different parts of the world. 6. Cost and complexity. Finally, designing and manufacturing transformers that operate at higher frequencies is more complex and expensive. The use of standard frequencies like 50 or 60 Hz helps to keep costs down and makes the design and manufacturing process more straightforward. Summarily, higher frequency causes energy losses in transformers and reduces reliability and optimal performance of the system. Thank you for watching the video. Like, comment and never forget to subscribe to the channel for upcoming videos.